Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 4th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair broke and closed above on Friday, above a previous high here. We're still looking for it to move to the upside, possibly moving up and hitting some resistance around 82.00, possibly moving down and hitting support on a reversal at 81.05. Now let's take a look at the Euro-USD pair. This pair pulled back, closed down on Friday. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 134.02, possibly as low as 0.3045. Look for some resistance around 133.15 and look for some support around 131.75. Now the pound US dollar pair. This pair pulled back prior on Friday's close prior to making a new high. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 1.6029, possibly as low as 157.01. Look for some resistance around 159.90 and look for some support around 157.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair moved to the upside, closed higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high and hit resistance around 0.9175, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 0.9075. Okay, now as far as news announcements go, we have the Australian Reserve Bank releasing their rate decision, and that is at 10:30 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Consensus is they're going to hold rates at 4.25%. Of course, if they do hold rates, that would be good news for the Australian dollar. Now, let's take a look at the trade I'm looking for. If you noticed, we are on the US Swiss on the day time frame. You can see that we've hit this trend line 1, 2, and now 3 times at the open here, fairly close there. Anyway, to have hit it, gapped up a little bit, went a little bit higher right up to the trend line, pulled back, and is moving lower. Now, if this continues to move lower, I am looking for the low here. You back out a little bit, you can see we've hit some support here and here, previous support at the 0.9080 mark. Now we are a little ways from that, but if we hit that, I am looking to go short and then come on down, for the market to come on down. Right here would be 72 pips as far as the stop loss, looking to exit at about 90 pips to the downside, which would be right about here where we found a little bit of sideways action, the market moving sideways. So as far as the trade I'm looking for during this next session, looking to sell around the 0.9080 mark, looking to exit that trade at 0.8991. May take more than one session, and then placing a stop loss right above this trend line here, and that is at the 0.9153 mark. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.